Hey guys, aloha. I'm here at Ho'okipa Beach off from Paia, and I'm here at the end of the day, and the turtles are coming in to rest on the shore, and there's a bunch of them. I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see. And here we are. I'm guessing there's probably 70 or more of these guys, but they're just all over the beach. This is a big surf spot, windsurfing spot, all of that, but this side of the beach, for whatever reason, is like a big turtle haven, and often I see 20 or 30 of these things at a time over here. Last time I was here I only saw 5 or 6 maybe, but this time I start trying to count, and it's just like this is too hard. I need a higher perspective, I think, to count them, but I'm guessing 70 or more. Pretty wild, huh? That's just, I don't know, that's just amazing. And they're just all camped out here sleeping. Here, let me zoom a little bit. You got a new batch coming in closer to the waves, you can see. But these guys are just all sacked out. Interesting, huh? If you ever come here and visit, these are definitely very cool and very fun to check out. But of course, be very respectful and don't pester them, bother them. It's generally a good idea to keep maybe 10 feet away from the turtles if you can. Definitely don't be riding on top of them and just bothering them. I think these are no longer a endangered species, but they're still protected. So as always, be gentle, be respectful. So I hope you enjoyed that. See you guys next time. Aloha.